Thinking about ditching your high street bank for something slicker, faster, and more app-friendly? You've probably narrowed it down to two big names, Monzo and Revolut. But which digital banking champion truly deserves a spot on your phone's home screen? We're diving deep into the features, the fiddly fees, and the day-to-day usability to help you decide. Let's start with features and core banking. Monzo positions itself as a full, licensed UK bank. This means two important things. Your eligible deposits are protected up to £85,000 by the FSCS, and they offer traditional banking services like overdrafts. Their strength lies in smart budgeting. Think of their POTS feature, which lets you virtually separate money for different goals right inside your account. Their focus is making everyday UK banking intuitive. Revolut, on the other hand, is a financial super app. While they do hold a banking license in some European countries, in the UK they mainly operate as an e-money institution, though your money is safeguarded. Their big win is global money. They let you hold and exchange multiple currencies in-app, offer trading in stocks and crypto, and generally have a much broader, almost investment-focused feature set. So, Monzo is your smart budgeter, Revolut is your global finance hub. Next up, the crucial part, fees, especially for travel. Both offer free standard accounts, but this is where the differences become clear, especially when you leave the country. With Monzo, card spending abroad is generally fee-free. You'll get the MasterCard exchange rate. ATM withdrawals outside the EEA are usually free up to a set monthly limit, typically around £200 to £400 depending on your account, with a 3% fee after that. Revolut uses the interbank exchange rate on weekdays, which is often great, and offers a monthly allowance for fee-free ATM withdrawals, usually around £200 for the free plan. However, beware of weekends. Revolut adds a small markup on currency exchange when the markets are closed, and if you exceed your monthly limits, you'll pay a fee. Their premium accounts give higher limits and better perks, but you pay a monthly subscription. Simply put, Monzo's foreign spending is straightforwardly free. Revolut is fantastic for holding different currencies and exchanging large amounts during the week. Finally, let's talk usability. Both apps are famously slick, but their approach is different. Monzo's app is clean, bright, and focused on helping you track your spending instantly. Every purchase is categorized and you get a clear notification right away. Users often praise its friendly, simple interface. Revolut's app, while powerful, can feel a bit crowded. Because it offers so many features, trading, insurance, and various vaults, it can be overwhelming for someone who just wants a simple current account. Its strength is in that sheer variety of options all in one place. The verdict? If you want a safe, simple, feature-rich account with excellent budgeting tools and FSCS protection to replace your high street bank in the UK, Monzo is likely your best bet. If you're a frequent traveler, dealing with multiple currencies, interested in trading, or just want a wider range of financial products under one digital roof, Revolut is the powerhouse you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.